And this is exactly what the ICT project, which we are launching today, is designed to do. It is designed to equip a very significant number of people from KwaZulu-Natal province with the skills and techniques necessary to face the future. A future in which knowledge is the key. About 10 years ago, the ICT sector contributed 1.2% to India's GDP. Today, it contributes over 5.5% to India's GDP. And despite the economic slowdown, the sector does not seem to have been affected as much as the other sectors, because the industry continues to maintain its target of $73 to $75 billion of exports in the year 2010. That's next year. That is their target, and they expect to reach that target. Now, every year, India produces 500,000 engineers with a 4-year engineering undergraduate degree, 50,000 computer scientists with postgraduate degrees, and 1.2 million scientists. In addition, every year the nation is enrolling at least 350,000 in its engineering diplomas, which would be equivalent to what the FET colleges issue here, with plans to increase this by 50,000 every year. In other words, every year India is adding over 2 million people to the workforce, and these are technically qualified engineers, computer scientists, and other people who can contribute directly to the development of industry. And today, of course, NIIT is an international global talent development corporation, providing software solutions to over 40 countries and training up to 5 million people. The province's ICT program provides training not only in ITO and BPO systems through the FET colleges under the auspices of the Moses Kotane Institute, but on-the-job training in India for those of the more capable of those who emerge from this program. And to my mind, the presence of such a large number of competently trained personnel, with some having the additional advantage of having on-the-job training in an IT environment in India, will undoubtedly make KZN province the hub for the ICT industry, not only in South Africa, but in the southern part of Africa. That knowledge that you are gaining will enable you, will last you a lifetime. And I want to congratulate and thank the Department of Economic Development, the Moses Kotane Institute, which is led by the very capable Professor Modi, and the FET colleges for having worked tirelessly to ensure that the program got a good start, that you've already started on the project to train a very ambitious number of people in this province with the best quality educators. I also want to compliment Mr. Rakesh Misri, who is the head of the NIIT country office in South Africa, and his team, for again having worked with their interlocutors to ensure that this program represents not only the best that NIIT has to offer, but the best symbol of collaboration and cooperation between two countries that have had a historical and ideological bond, India and South Africa, and the cooperation that it represents between our two countries on a mutually beneficial level.